Hi, Katie. Thanks for
Hello.
yeah, thanks for helping us with this awesome feedback review video for the project which we as a team, like Cloud Analogy, has done for your team. So, and the best part is I personally worked into it. So I'm also glad that I am being part of this particular customer success story or video testimonial, whatever we call it. So I would like to talk a bit about my role. I was working in this particular project as a Salesforce technical architect, and we went through a very good 7 to 8 months journey, and with my team as well, a team of Salesforce consultants, admins as well. So now I would like you to talk a bit about yourself and the project.
Yeah. So I am Kazie Pasquinelli, and I am a technical project manager with Upwork. And we had a client come to us looking for a vendor management system built in Salesforce. And we decided to look at our platform to find that resource that we were going to ask to build this vendor management system, hence bringing us to Ajay, your team. And we found you directly on the platform. You're an agency that's reputable on the platform, so we reached out and did many rounds of interviews, as you had to handle for us, which we appreciated, and ultimately decided to move forward with your team.
I'm glad that you mentioned that. I remember it was more than probably 3 or 4 rounds of interviews. And
it was rough.
Yeah, and the best part was everyone was asking different questions. So I was like, oh, they are serious, and it's a big thing. So yeah, that's really great. And another few questions, or to say just asking one, how do you find the team collaboration, or to say how fast the team was responding, or would you like to talk a bit about the team as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So personally that the collaboration, I think, was amazing. I said that multiple times throughout our meetings. I actually looked forward to our daily meetings, which is unusual, I feel like, with work. But to kick off my day, it was awesome to see all of you guys. You were super quick at responding to everything that we would ask, and often faster than us. You would ask questions and get things done faster than we could actually respond to them, which is an awesome problem to have with someone that you're working with. So, well, for us, not so much for you guys waiting on us, but no, everyone was incredibly knowledgeable. They were always open to suggesting new things to us, best practices. I felt 100% confident in everything that the team was doing and everything you guys were suggesting to us, and really felt like you could take something that was very brief and not very descriptive and actually turn it into what we were envisioning.
So I hope that you will definitely recommend Cloud Analogy for future work, or to others, right?
Oh, absolutely. Except I may not recommend your team specifically, because I'm hoping to keep them with us forever. But I would absolutely recommend all of you in the future.
Yeah, great to hear that. And one last thing I would like to definitely mention here, that it was an honor, and it was a learning journey as well, working with you, along your side, under you as well, especially those retrospective meetings, and how intelligently you were able to manage things. So that was amazing. I have personally learned a lot, and I'm planning to even think of okay, I can also try to think about managing things more rather than doing only architectural level work. So it's amazing part we did learn as well. So yeah.
Well, then it was a great experience.
Thank you. Again, we are very thankful for this particular testimonial, Kazie. Thank you so much, and do keep in touch with us. Thank you.